Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today we are starting a new exciting build, which is the Eleanor by Eaglemoss from Gone in 60 Seconds. In our first delivery we also have a binder to keep the magazine, and a poster with the car, and a starting issue with the car in full size. It's gonna be big. Also, since I pre-ordered, I get these two pins with the car and the Go Baby Go button. First we start with part 1, the front bumper. This is kit 1. We got the front bumper and the headlight, and we have the front bumper, which is solid metal and heavy and has a lovely finish, shiny, and the paintwork and the casting is like superb. You also get a screwdriver and our highlights. I'm gonna keep them in a bag for now. First we put the main headline into its slot, and then we use a DS02 screw. Threads are pretty good. Like so. Then we take the left headlight and put it in its place. And that also screws down with a PS04 screw, like so. Then we take the blue lenses and these small and put them together. Like so. These are labeled number 2. Yeah, number 2 go on top, and these are held in with PS04 screws on the inside. That was fiddly, but those 2 fog lights are in. Now for the second set we take these labeled number 1 and the clear lenses. These just snap in, and likewise these just like so with the pin on top and a screw on the bottom, which is a PS04 screw. Like so. And that is kit 1 complete. One issue is that these PS04 screws that hold in the small lights are, in my opinion, too small. You could use a screw with a bigger head so they don't fall out.